In front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off slow charging mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll down to the battery and device care. Now just click here to the battery settings, scroll it down to the more battery section, and here you can see the super fast charging and fast charging mode. Just to turn on slow charging mode, you should turn off the fast charging and super fast charging. So to do that, you just should click on the switchers one, and if you want to turn off slow charging mode, you should turn on the fast charging. So just to turn off the slow charging mode, you should click once on the switchers on just to fast charging mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.